Alright, I got white hot coals spread out, black coals on top, salt and pepper. Got some cherry wood pellets sprinkled around the outside. Those will smoke slowly. Spatchcock chicken marinated in Salsa Verde. Cooking breast side down first, seasoned with Caribbean seasoning. Generously. A lot of it's going to cook off. Alright. Chicken looking pretty good. Added a pan of water in there because I want this to slow down, add a little bit of moisture. Tore my chicken apart, put it over here, piled it all together. Just gonna let this cook a little bit or take it off. Fire started to cool off, so I went ahead and I moved the chicken back here in the center. Got my pan of water there that's gonna help moderate the humidity and keep the chicken from drying out. I'm going to go ahead and let this cook along with this water until these coals are not giving off any heat. We're only about 275 degrees, so that's a good slow cooking temperature. I think I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. There's not going to be a whole lot more for me to show you aside from me taking this off the grill in just a little bit and putting it in the container that it goes in. So that's going to be the end of it. I'm trying to shorten these videos up for you guys. A lot of these videos that I do are lengthy because I ramble so much and talk so much. So I'm just going to try to, if I can, get to the point quickly, show you what I'm doing, and end the video as quickly as I can from this point forward. Alright, that's going to conclude it for today. This is Salsa Verde smoked chicken. You guys let me know what you think. Give this a try and see if you like it. Have a good day.